Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to show you guys how you can use your box, doesn't matter which Android box you have, to check your internet speed. I want to mention this because a lot of little messages that I see online and offline that people are indicating to me that they have a really good internet service, but their box doesn't matter from now or 7 to 8 years ago. When you connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, I don't get anything properly. Even when we want to go to YouTube app, it freezes. So here's a few little tips that I want to indicate. The box that I'm using today is going to be Buzz TV. It's a VidStick, but I have connected via LAN connection. There are ways. If you need to learn, please ask at the bottom of the video. So here it is. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and everything more. So here you go. Number one, make sure that you are connected via Wi-Fi or LAN. So go to your settings. Usually settings have an icon. Go to apps. Like any other boxes, you will see the settings app like this. Once you are here, then you should see network. We will select it. In here, it will tell you your internet name. So make sure that if you are connected via Wi-Fi, it should not say safe. It says connected is the word. So make sure that is on. Now, since I'm connected via LAN connection, I do not need for this to be on. And you can see LAN connection is connected. So I do have a IP address in the bottom. There you go. That's number one. Once it is connected, you're going to go back to main screen. Now, there's two ways to check what type of internet speed you're getting on the box. Remember that I know that you already indicated to me that you have an excellent internet connection. You're paying a lot of money for you to get a gigabit or now these days 2 gigabit internet, but you're still having problem. And now you're telling me that your phone works excellent, your laptop works excellent, your iPad is connected to, works excellent. But when you're coming to the box, it doesn't connect and you're really blaming the box. So let's just check it out. Number one, you can go to a browser. So something like this. I have Chrome browser. So I will just load it. Over here on the search, now I'm using a computer mouse. You can connect that to your box. It will work the same way. Then you can move your cursor or you can buy a Air Mouse remote. If you don't have it, that's okay. On your remote, you have a little button that has a little cursor and then just click on it and then you can press it so it can go up or down, right and left. So when you get right here, click on it and then just type fast. So for this, you do not need to have an Air Mouse. You can just do this. You can see that and then .com. Now, once you do that, then you can go right here on the search button and click it. And it will go through to check the internet and automatically just goes to the website. And now you're going to check your internet speed. Now remember, it doesn't matter if you're connected via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, it will give you a number. Now this website is done or taken care by Netflix. So yeah, the backbone on this is Netflix. You can see I have 80 megabits or 79 megabits of internet, not megabyte, but megabits. The M is capital, as you can see right over here, but the B is small. So that's a bit, not a byte. This is your speed. You need roughly about 25 to 28 megabit for you to watch something on the box. So if you are lower than that, you have an issue. And maybe your Wi-Fi connection is throttling you or too many items are connected to that router or in this case modem, and that's why you are getting that problem. So now in order to get it properly, process this. And I am sure that you're going to like it that way. It really works. So once this is done, then you can press back and you're good to go. Now, some people say, well, I don't like this. Let's go to another app. Now, you can go to your Google Play Store. And once it come up, you can look on the top for something called speed test. The first one that will come up is Ookla. And this one is called Speed Test by Ookla. You can select that, and there are many more that are in the bottom. Now, I do not like the other ones because there are so many, and a lot of them are not really good in order for you to play with. There are just a few that I trust, and I want to go and check for the speed test. The number one is going to be Ookla. which is the speed test. And the second one, I do not see it here, called Analytics. That's a really good app too. It will tell you even if you're able to watch something or not on the Analytics. So let's just go to this and we will press home. And now we will go down and find the speed test we just got. It's right here. So we will launch it. You can find it on the main page or you can go to all apps and I am sure that you will find your speed test. This is the very first time that we're going to launch this app itself. So sometimes it goes through, sometimes it gives you these little OKs. You have to press OK and then continue. Now sometimes it doesn't go next. So you have to play with it a few times and it will go through. Once it is done, you can see I'm using VidStick and then you can click on Go. Now, this is a really good way to learn on what type of speed you're going to get for your download and upload rate. Remember, I'm connected via LAN connection and not Wi-Fi. VidStick is Wi-Fi only, but there's a USB connection, so you can get yourself a Ethernet adapter from Amazon. I will be placing a link in the bottom where you can get that from too. One of the best ones are going to be from a company called Ugreen, but there are other companies as good as Ugreen as something like TP-Link. That way you will be able to get more numbers. Now you can see that my download rate is 91.4 and my upload rate is 25.4. But this is what matters. So that means is if I want to stream something on this box, it will go flawless. There's not going to be any issues with this. So that's one. Now, sometimes people indicate that, wait, just one time speed test is not good. So that's fine. We will click this off and we will go back again. This way we can test it again to see what type of numbers you're going to get, because it depends. Every other milliseconds, it will change. And just like blood pressure, it will go up and down. Sometimes it will give you a better number and sometimes it will go a little down, just like right now. You see that I had 91, now it's 90. Remember that you need to have over 28 megabit for you to get a proper number for your streaming. So you can see my upload rate went up, which is really good. Again, it's exceeding right now. So it is 30 megabits, but I'm getting 30.5. And my download rate is 90. So that means if I want to stream something, even in 4K, it will give me pictures properly. So this is how you do the speed test on your Android boxes. I hope you guys like this video. This is how it's processed. All the links going to be available where you can get everything that I have mentioned in this video. If you do have more questions, please drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP.